YOUHAO T9 ATC CNC is our hot sale model, which used for woodworking, especially cut MDF, acrylic, PVC, even aluminum and copper, etc. It is an auto tool changing machine that has linear tool magazine with 8 slots. It can accomplish complicated job, which requires different patterns of tools one time, with tools changing automatically. It consists of high-performance components. Taiwan LNC controller system is easy to operate and learn. Chinese famous brand HQD 9 kilowatts ATC air cooling spindle, and lead shine servo motor with Japan Shimpo reducer, which highly improve the traveling speed and work efficiency, which can keep the machine working for long time. Some other optional parts can be added on this model, such as auto positioning pop-up pins, C-axis drilling units, CCD and oscillating knife, aggregated head, pneumatic auto tool changing, with 2 or several spindles, and so on.